Welcome. If you want to change log method in your KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to click on the security and location, tap on the screen lock, and as you can see currently we got set up the swipe, so maybe we can change it for the pattern. So click here and then draw your pattern, click next and draw it once again. Click on the confirm. And right now we got the next option. We can manage the notifications on the lock screen. So I'm gonna hide the sensitive content, click done. And right now we can check how it works. I think it changed, so let's try to unlock. And yes, right now we have to input our new lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel.